Hi friends, welcome back to Sarah Tastic. How you all? Hope everyone doing well and staying safe. Today I am going to show you mushroom recipes. So first I am going to make mushroom white sauce pasta. So let's start now. Into the pan 200 grams pasta. Add water, 1 tablespoon oil, some salt and let it boil for 10 minutes. Most people in Sri Lanka, they don't like to eat mushrooms, especially in my hometown, but I love it because this is my daughter's favorite recipe. I have taken 2 packets of mushrooms. This is enough for us because there are only 4 members in my house. Pasta is almost done. Strain the pasta and keep it aside. I finished cutting vegetables and let it boil. Into a pan, adding mushrooms, broccoli, onion, tomato, chicken pieces, sausages, some salt, oregano and water. Let it boil for 15 minutes. It's done. Take it out and keep it aside. In a pan, heat 30 grams of butter. Adding 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Mix it nicely and cook it for 2 minutes. This is the important step. Now going to add 2 cups of milk. Mix it slowly without any lumps. Add some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon oregano to give a nice pasta flavor. Mix it well. Now going to add boiled veggies which we had kept aside. Give a mix everything. Now going to add the pasta and mix it. In the last, add some cheese. And this called white sauce pasta. Pasta is ready. making breakfast for my daughter. She loves it so much. I dropped my daughter off at nursery. Now I reached my home. And this is my breakfast time, so I'm going to add some spicy chili flakes and pepper powder. Before I didn't add spicy because my daughter doesn't eat spicy. If you like spicy, you can use in the beginning also. Next recipe, mushroom masala, peppercorn, cumin seeds, cinnamon stick and some garlic. Into a heated pan, add some oil, pound masala, chopped green chilies, some curry leaves, add some sliced onion, add salt to taste, turmeric powder, one tablespoon chicken masala, tomatoes, 1 tablespoon chili powder. Mix it well everything. Now going to add mushrooms. Finally, add some coconut milk. Cook it for 10 minutes. Mushroom masala is ready. Now I am going to show you mushroom soup. Add some oil, chopped ginger and garlic, sliced onion, tomato, green chili, some curry leaves, Add some chicken pieces. Salt to taste. Cumin powder. Broccoli pieces. Some carrot and beans. Saute all vegetables. Turmeric powder. Add 2 cups of water. Some salt. And this is corn flour. Add water to mix it. Mushrooms. Only cook for 5 minutes. Finally add corn flour mix. Mushroom soup is ready. I take a little for my daughter before adding the pepper. Adding pepper powder. Mushroom is very healthy and very tasty recipe. You must try. I have done this in a different way, so it will be very tasty. One day you can also try yourself.
It tastes really good. Thank you, Mommy. Let's eat this broccoli.
Okay friends, thank you for watching and subscribe to Sarah Tastic. Don't forget to share with your friends. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, take care. Bye.